Welcome everybody. This is the course of IBM Watson for Beginners. My name is Duber Zuluaga. Okay, let's talk a little bit about me. So I've been in programming since I was 14. I started programming in the Pascal and the C language. Maybe some of you have heard of them. And I have more than 14 years of professional experience in the IT industry, ranging from building software systems, enterprise application integration systems, service-oriented architecture and VPN systems. And lastly, I specialize in solution architecture and cognitive systems. So it's a very interesting journey, and I hope that I can give you some of the concepts that I have learned through all this long path. So in our course, we will explore the IBM Watson platform and all the capabilities that it gives us in order to include it in our application for solving complex problems, for understanding our customers, and for doing our next great app application. So what we will learn in this course? In this course, we have 6 sections. In the first section, we will have an introduction to the cognitive computing and learn about the history of Watson, from the Jeopardy times to the new capabilities that are available in the cloud. In the section 2, we will have an overview of all the Watson capabilities that are exposed at REST APIs that you can use to integrate into your applications so you can have a great overall view of the capabilities that the platform can give to you. In the section 3, we will explore one of the most popular capabilities. It's the Watson Assistant, the API for building chatbots, one of the most popular today. So you will create your own chatbot and train Watson for understanding natural language. In section 4, we will see how Watson can understand text and how can it process some sentences for extracting sentiment, and you will do some exercise with your own data. In the section 5, we will see the capabilities that Watson provides us for better user engagement. How do we know better our customers? How do we treat our users better? And how we can understand the personality of each one of our interesting people. And in the last section, we will introduce you to the Watson for computer vision capabilities. So we will see how Watson can also not only read text, but also can see, can understand images. So this will be an overall overview. This will be a practical course. So you will have some section with some theory, but you will complement this with practical exercises. So for doing the exercise, you will have to have an operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Debian, or any other capable operating system that can call web services. In the browser, I suggest to use Chrome, but the samples also work in Firefox, so you can choose the browser of your preference. We will have some little exercises doing programming, but this course is not about programming, but it's about training, because this all the Watson platform is about training, not programming. But for some exercises, we will do some scripts with Node.js. And for doing the demos for calling the Watson APIs, we will use a tool called Core. You can install it for your specific operating system. It's a very simple installation. So let's get started. Hope to see you in all the videos, and let's see. I will try to do my best in order for you to get introduced to this world of the cognitive computing. Happy learning.